Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 56, which is merge intervals. Suppose you are given an array of intervals where intervals of I is equals to start I, comma and I. Merge all overlapping intervals and return an array of the non-overlapping intervals that cover all the intervals in the input. For example, suppose the input array is this one 1 comma 3, 2 comma 6, 8 comma 10 and 15 comma 18. The output will be 1 comma 6, 8 comma 10 and 15 comma 18 because these two intervals are overlapping, so we have merged these two into one, which is 1 comma 6. In example 2, we have these intervals 1 4, 1 comma 4 and 4 comma 5. So output will be 1 comma 5 because intervals 1 comma 4 and 4 comma 5 are considered overlapping. So in this type of problem, we first need to sort the input array by the starting time. So we can call a dot sort function. Okay. So here either we can use a lambda function to sort the intervals according to the starting time, or by default this sort function will sort the intervals by using the starting time. Okay, so we don't need to use lambda function here because Python has inbuilt functionality in this sort function. It will automatically sort the intervals according to the start time. Now we will have the result array. Result, let's initialize with the first interval. Now what we can do, we can iterate over the intervals and we can check if intervals are overlapping or not. So if result, the last element, the endpoint is greater than interval का starting point, okay, and it means it is overlapping. In that case we can do result, the last element we simply merge. Okay, minimum of the starting points, minimum of the starting points and maximum of the ending points. This is how we are going to merge. Okay. This is how we are going to merge. The last element is equals to minimum of starting points, maximum of ending points. Okay. Else we will simply, if these are not overlapping, we'll simply append the interval into result array. Return result. Let's run the code. Oh, it's a wrong answer. Okay. So I think overlapping criteria we need to also include equals to here also. It is equals to. Let's run the code now. All the test cases are passed. Let's submit the code. Solution is accepted. Our algorithm is working fine, as you can see. So the time complexity of this algorithm is order of n because we are only using one loop here. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.